Hello, word listeners. Welcome back. I'm Alex, and today our word is building. It's an A1 level noun, and it means a structure with walls and a roof. So, a building is essentially what provides shelter, like your house or a school. You can see buildings all around us in cities, towns, and even the countryside. Let's think about some synonyms for building. We have structure, for example. That massive structure is the new museum. Another one is edifice, which you might hear less often, like, the old edifice has been restored to its former glory. Now, for antonyms, we have things that aren't buildings, so let's try nature, like, the hikers admired the beauty of nature, or open space, like, the children played happily in the open space. In everyday life, you might use building when talking about your apartment building or asking where a specific building is located. For example, you could say, "My office is in that tall building," or "The library is a beautiful building." We could also say things like, "The building is made of stone," or "They live in an apartment building," or "The building is very tall," or "The school building is large." I hope this all makes sense. To summarize, a building is a structure with walls and a roof. Synonyms include structure and edifice, while antonyms are nature and open space. Thanks for joining me today. Please consider subscribing to Hello Word and leaving us a review. Your support helps others find our show. And don't forget to create your own sentence about building and share it in the comments below the video.